Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Earlier today, I made a video and I made a cube box that's 5 by 5. And I started thinking this is for 1/8 inch plywood. If we take our parallel dimension tool, we can measure this 1/8 inch plywood right here. It's 0.125. If you run it out a little bit, it'll be 0.125. Now, this particularly will work on a square box easily. So we need to make it work for 1/4 inch wood. The only measurement that changes is the depth of the tab. The other measurements don't matter. It's just the depth of the tab to take in the wood. So, and you've got 4 sides and a lid. You only have to do these 3. So let's just delete, and of course you would have saved it for the 1/8 inch wood. Let's do this one first. These are the female. We're going to select it with the pick tool or with the shape tool. And remember, we've set our nudge factor, so I'm going to carefully only grab the inside ones and I'm going to nudge it over. Whoa. I didn't change it. 0.125. That'll be the 1/8 of an inch, and then it'll make it 1/4. So take your shape tool, select just the inside part nodes, and hit your left arrow key. Select the other ones, hit your down arrow key. Hit your next one, hit your up arrow keys. Hit the other ones, hit your right arrow key. Now you've got a 1/4 inch box. Now we need to do the same thing for the female, or this was the female side. This is going to be the male side. Same scenario. I'd pick it first with your pick tool, then take your shape tool and grab those nodes and use the up arrow key. Whoop. I would grab the outside, use your right arrow key. Left arrow key. I didn't get it. Down arrow key. So now you've done the sides. Now all you have to do is the box itself, or the top and the bottom. Now this one we're going to have to do, thinking about it, we need to do the outside and the inside. So on the female joints, we're going to take our shape tool, select, and we're going to hit the down arrow key. I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. Make sure you don't get the outside nodes. Now we need to do the outside ones. I'm going to use the left arrow key. Take this and use the right arrow key, and you're done. So you hit your plus key on your keyboard. There's your 6 pieces for your new box. It didn't take very long at all. Let's put this box together. And if we zoom in here a little bit, grab that node right there and have it parked right there. Snap to. Grab that node and have it, well, that's the other, there's the other female. If you grab that corner node with your pick tool and that 4-sided cross and have it snap to right there, and then have this one snap to there. Whoop, I'm gonna have to zoom in. I'd always just kind of back off and grab that node. And there you have it. Well, you know what? I must have grabbed the lid. Here's the other male. And then I would always kind of check my measurement. I would have done it the first time on the very first box. So let's just get out our parallel dimension tool and measure this joint. 0.25, 1/4 of an inch box down. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.